For an adiabatic process, which of the following relation is correct? For an adiabatic process, as we all know, U equal to Q plus W. Adiabatic process is the one in which Q is equal to 0. So C option would follow, that Q is equal to 0. Moving to the fifth question. The amount of heat measured by for a reaction in a bomb calorimeter is bomb calorimeter. Bomb calorimeter measures the energy released by the component, energy released by reactions. And energy released by reaction is often termed in terms of delta H, not in terms of Q. It is always in terms of delta H. Delta H. Moving to question number 9. A spontaneous change is one in which system suffers from delta G equal to delta H minus T delta S. As we all know, a particular process will be spontaneous if delta G is less than 0. And delta G, which is the Gibbs free energy, often is spoken as only free energy. So a spontaneous process would be the one in which free energy change will be lowered, or lowering of free energy, the C option. Okay. Question number 12. A process is spontaneous at all temperature, irrespective of T. I need to discuss the spontaneity of process. Now, delta G is equal to delta H minus T delta S. For spontaneity, delta G should be less than 0 irrespective of T, if and only if this particular term is negative and this term is positive. Because T can never be negative, even though we don't have T under consideration, but we know one fact, that temperature in Kelvin scale can never be equal to 0. So if delta S is positive, then T into delta S, the complete term, will be negative. And if delta H is negative from before, then the complete sum would be negative and delta G would be less than 0. So the process will be spontaneous if delta H is less than 0 and the change in entropy is greater than 0.